chiều Giêsu, Ye ơi tuân tin hiếu, can chiến chiều Giêsu, Ye ơi tuân tin hiếu, can chiến chiều Giêsu, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi, bàn kịch quang ca chia ra nhâm ra niệm, bàn kịch quang ca chia ra nhâm ra niệm, bàn kịch quang ca chia ra nhâm ra niệm, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi. Ye ơi xuân tin hiếu, can chiến chiều Giêsu, Ye ơi xuân tin hiếu, can chiến chiều Giêsu, Ye ơi xuân tin hiếu, can chiến chiều Giêsu, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai mai hai tao mi, Ye ya ơi can mi, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi, bàn kịch quang ca chia ra nhâm ra, bàn kịch quang ca chia ra nhâm ra, chia ra nhâm ra, mai huynh gang rồi, mai huynh gang rồi.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. No turning back, no turning back. Though none go with me, still I will follow. Though none go with me, still I will follow. Though none go with me, still I will follow. No turning back, no turning back. Will you decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? No turning turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back. There's no turning back, no turning back.
As soon as Jesus was baptized, he went up out of the water. And at that moment, the heaven was open. And he saw the Spirit of God descending like a dove and lighting on him. And if we know history correctly, what happened after that day? Jesus put his hands to the plow, the work of his Father. Watch. He never looked back. The scripture tells us Jesus came preaching, and Jesus came teaching, and Jesus came healing, and his fame spread all across the Decapolis and cities as far as men could count. And he rearranged the whole world with his teaching, gave women worth and value, looked people in the eyes who felt like they was worth nothing and said, neither do I condemn you. He was the friend of sinners and the enemy of the religious. He came to set captives free. That water outside that pool, when you go out there, you're gonna see that pool with the water glistening in the sunshine. And when you see that pool, listen to me. That pool is a grave, a watery grave. And you're gonna step down into that warm, watery grave, and you're gonna sit down. And when you sit down, you're gonna stare at that crystal clear water. And in that moment, I want you to get on your mind everything you've done from your past. Every mistake, every sin, everything that has been bothering you up until this very moment. Every lie the devil has told you in your ear, every insecurity, every worry, every fear, every anxiety, every sickness, every disease. You get everything on your mind that's been plaguing your life right up to this moment. And men and women of God who've been praying all week, we're going to put you down in that watery grave. And when we submerge you, you will symbolically leave in that watery grave. Everything you have carried from your past, you leave it in those waters. And when you rise, you would rise to songs of worship and the cheers of a church standing behind you. It's gonna sound something like this. Something like this. According to the scriptures, that heaven is going to be opened up over you. And you'll come up and hear the Spirit of God whispering to you, my son, my daughter, I love you. And in you, I am well pleased.